Growing your easy texting subscriber list with sign-up forms. From the dashboard, click Create, and then on Sign Up Form. From here, you can create a shareable form or an embedded form. A shareable form is hosted on a unique landing page and is accessible through a link, making it easy to distribute through email or social media. An embedded form generates HTML code for the form that you can add to an existing website or landing page. Select the type of form you'd like to create. Now select the group or groups your subscriber will be added to after they submit the form. You can also check the box to allow contacts to select their own group. When you're ready to move forward, click on Next. Easy Texting makes it easy to customize your form. You can give your form a unique name, add a headline, form description, and select which contact fields you'd like to collect. You can also write a success message that will display after the form has been completed. With every change, you will see it reflected in the test template on your right. There are additional options to explore as well. A texting best practice is to send a welcome text message that includes valuable information or content, such as a promo code or coupon. And you can also get an email notification when someone new joins your list. When you're finished, click on Create Form to complete the process. If you created a shareable form, the success page will include a URL for sharing the form online, as well as links to share on Facebook and Twitter. You can also generate and download a QR code to include on digital and print media. And if you created an embedded form, the success page will include a snippet of code you can embed on a landing page or website. Congrats! You've now successfully used sign-up forms to grow your subscriber list with easy texting.